Across the state right now, we have some pretty big weather, especially out in the eastern plains. You can see some of those big thunderstorms out there. Scattered storms in the high country as well down to the southwest. Now, starting off here in Denver, we did have some heavier rainfall roll through about 3 o'clock-ish. That's now gone away, and we still have a few little sprinkles just on the south and east side of town. Up north, we've had some heavier rainfall as well. That's starting to die down just a bit. Still have some rain just to the east of the Greeley area right now, and looking up toward the northwest again near Meeker, we have some heavier rainfall through Steamboat and all the way near Granby as well. But really, the bulk of what we're looking at is all the way from Fort Morgan through Lyman and then all the way down to the south. And we have 2 severe thunderstorm warnings right now down to the east of Lamar right now, west of Lamar, I should say, and then also in Los Animas County. So quarter-size hail in these storms and some really intense rainfall. So flash flooding will also be a concern in this area. We also have a severe thunderstorm watch from Pueblo County down to Los Animas County through 11 o'clock tonight. So we could still see this area prime for thunderstorms well into the night. Our weather watcher Bob reporting 0.27 inches of rain today in Greeley. He's seen just over an inch in the last 2 days. So what are we looking at here? Why are we like this? What's going on outside right now? This area of high pressure, an upper level low just off to the east of California, west of California. This is funneling in a lot of Pacific moisture our way, and it's going to stay that way as that area of low pressure stays off to our west, and that's going to keep all of that moisture heading our way. So really the pattern's not going to change for at least the next week or so. We'll see an area of high pressure pass through, and that could change just a little bit. Also, a cold front comes through on Thursday. That stabilizes us just a little bit. But overall, this is what we're looking at for the next several days. So looking at our futurecast, we're going to continue to get that rain, potentially even in late night tonight. By about 10 o'clock, there's still a chance for some rain around the Denver area. By tomorrow morning, you're waking up to clouds, maybe even some fog out there in some spots. Western slope high country, probably a lot more sunshine for you. And then we do have the chance of more rain developing by about 1 o'clock, starting in the northern part of the state and then moving its way through Denver, probably by about 3-4 o'clock in the afternoon. And that rain could continue well into the evening hours as well. Some of those storms tomorrow from south of Denver all the way down to the southeastern corner of the state. We do have the chance of some of those storms turning severe with hail, wind, and really heavy rainfall being our biggest threats. Right now it's 71 degrees. That rain that rolled through earlier dropped DIA down to 65. 70 degrees in Boulder and Greeley right now, 67 out in Burlington, 78 in Avon, and 87 over in Grand Junction. So downtown, we're at 69 degrees. Winds are out of the west at about 10 miles an hour. And earlier today, only 77. So we're about 10 degrees warmer than yesterday, but still well below our normal of 89 degrees, 73 degrees here downtown. Tonight, 55 in Denver, Boulder, and Fort Collins, 56 out in Burlington. Lots of 40s in the high country, 46 in Aspen, 45 in Steamboat, 61 tonight in Grand Junction. Now tomorrow, we'll have 90 over in Grand Junction, so it's still pretty hot in some parts of Colorado, but 74 in Eagle and Steamboat, 77 here in Denver, 80 in Greeley, warmer out in the eastern plains with 81 degrees out in Burlington. Now for your 5-day forecast, we stay in the 70s through Thursday, warm up a little bit on Friday and Saturday, and we do have a chance again of some thunderstorms throughout the rest of the week and into the weekend. But during the day, we'll still get a little bit of sunshine, but still expect there to be some clouds as well.
For me, this is kind of like the perfect weather. Not too hot, not too cold, just right.
I know, and well, we'll warm up soon. So if you're missing the heat, which I'm getting a lot of emails about, don't worry, it's coming back.
All
yeah.
right, thanks.
Well,